we are gonna analyze Skip the Toilet episode 67. Just dropped out. Not gonna win. No, not to fear. Why is that's the goofiest toilet I've ever seen? It's literally Superman. Superman. So let's continue. How could a Superman toilet kill that Aster? Wait, what? What did he say? How dare you, little... How dare you exist? It said, look. How dare you exist? Traitors come. What the heck? Why is he eating one of these cannons? Now I don't know what is happening to this toilet martabash. English or Spanish? Boy, English or Spanish? English! Stop. Attack! That's the cameraman and cameraman. Other teammates. There's a chair. There's a chair right there. There's gonna be a moving thing right there. Here in the left. Yeah, there's a plant right there that moved by its own. Good job. Use both of your cannons, buddy. Put down like that. Boom. Stab. Where did he even get that knife from? Shoot it with him. Shoot it at him. Blood. As toilet and glitched toilet are the same thing, I think. But the glitched toilet is just more glitchy. First that I react, I thought bro was sticking it at this thing on the toilet. I know, boom shield. I know, a Titan can become an elite, I don't care. Is that a spider toilet? Oh wait, is that an armed spider toilet at least? The camera spider is back, baby. Hello, my cameraman. Find a new mech suit. Found a new mech suit. And it's done. So let's restart this all over. Wait, let's just go to the place. 2 times speed. What is the hook boom on about? Oh, what is the hook boom with this? Find the background. And also other crops like a plant I saw. Yeah, there's a plant right there. Let's see the whole thing of the secret agent is there. So wait, I just noticed. Why is there a pole standing out of nowhere? That's the strangest thing. What is wrong with the poop with this? Wait, I just need this. Let's see one of the frames. Yeah. Gonna check this whole frame if I can find something that could tell me what is happening there. Oh my god, what the heck is that? Right there, what's that meaning? Oh my freaking... Yeah, right there. What's the meaning of that? I'm gonna try and get that angle again. There we go. Oh my freaking god. Yeah, right there. What does that mean? And why is there a gas station if there's no gas station? These are the craziest things. There's a toilet there. Yeah, right there. There's a toilet right there just chilling right there, but then... Wait. Right there. Also, I'm gonna make a big video about me showing all the clocks in Beauty SMR. I do. Yeah, but it's gonna be between parts. Okay. That being said, let's bye.